Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
What the Quran is all about. The Quran is a book of Allah, which was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, the last prophet of Allah. The Quran in Arabic, in the original, is a book of eternity and the last of the divine scriptures by Allah. It has a message for all mankind and for all time to come. The Quran has teachings about faith or Iman, commandments for living in this world, as well as the stories of the prophets sent by Allah, namely Ibrahim, Nuh, Musa, Isa, Sulaiman, and etc. The revelation of the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad was a gradual process which was completed in 23 years. The Quran is a guide for mankind to make them conscious of the one and only Allah, the creator of the universe, and to lead mankind to the path of Allah as shown in the book of Allah and exemplified by the life of Prophet Muhammad. Other names of the Quran. The Quran has been referred to by many names in the Quran, including Al-Furqan, Al-Tanzil, Al-Dhikr, Al-Kitab, Al-Huda, and etc. What is the meaning of the word Al-Furqan? The meaning of Al-Furqan is a criterion. Total surahs or chapters in the Quran. The revelation of the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad was completed in 23 years. The Quran has many chapters. Each chapter in the Quran is called a surah, and each verse in a surah is called an ayah. How many surahs does the Quran contain? The number of surahs the Quran contains is 114. The divine scriptures. Since the beginning of the world, Allah has sent down prophets with divine scriptures to invite people to come to Him. According to the Quran, which of the following divine scriptures was revealed to the Prophet Isa or Jesus? The divine scriptures that was revealed to the Prophet Isa or Jesus is the Injil or the Bible. The meaning. The Quran is the last divine scripture revealed to the last prophet of Allah, the Prophet Muhammad. What does the word Quran mean? The meaning of the word Quran is recitation. The first ayah or verse. Before the Prophet Muhammad had prophethood bestowed upon him, he used to sit in the cave of Hira near Mecca. The first 5 verses of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet Muhammad while he was in the cave and started with the words conveyed by Angel Jibril or Gabriel. Read in the name of your Lord. Which surah in the Quran contains the first 5 verses revealed to the Prophet Muhammad? The surah in the Quran which contains the first 5 verses revealed to the Prophet Muhammad is Al-Alaq, divine gift. 1 year before his migration, the Prophet Muhammad experienced Isra and Miraj, the night journey and the ascension. The angel Jibril took the Prophet from Mecca to Jerusalem and from there to the heavens. The first surah or chapter. The first surah or chapter of the Quran is Al-Fatiha, which contains 7 beautiful verses. The recitation of these verses is compulsory in each salat. What is the meaning of the word Al-Fatiha? The meaning of the word Al-Fatiha is opening. Divine commands. There are commandments from Allah which are called muhkamat in the Quran and are considered the foundation of Islam. What does the word muhkamat mean? The word muhkamat means is established commandments.